The process begins inside Excel, where you simply select the area you want to include. Then we switch to the desired CAD engine. Here we click the Create New icon on the ribbon, toolbar, or type the command. Inside the Create New dialog we verify the spreadsheet file name, rows, and columns. By turning on the Save toggle, XL2CAD instructs Excel to save the current spreadsheet, with the newly created named range. Then we pick the location for the upper left corner of the spreadsheet inside CAD, verify the scale, and other parameters. With all parameters set, we click the Start button to begin processing. The spreadsheet appears in the CAD drawing, where you can adjust the position. In this case we will simply zoom out and pan it into the capture area. The spreadsheet is now a part of the drawing, as a block insert made up of native objects like polylines, fills, and text.